Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to automatically update your app in your Android phone. Right now this is 2025 and you shouldn't be checking for your apps update all the time. So if you don't know how to update your app automatically by a few settings, then this video is for you. So let's head to Play Store. So when you get to your Play Store, the first thing you do is you click on this your email logo. Then you scroll down to settings. So when you scroll down to settings, you click on network preferences. Now as you can see here, you will see auto update apps. Then I will click on auto update apps. You can see the first option, update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update all apps as soon as updates are available. You see, so by me putting it here, anytime there is an update in any of the apps that I'm using, it will automatically update without having to wait till I do that myself. Now you can decide to choose update over Wi-Fi only and don't auto update apps. So here now I'll be choosing this one, and every time there is new update in any of the app that I'm using, it will automatically update. Right, please do well to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.